Transform your cooking space, upgrade your kitchen. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that blends the world of language learning with everyday life improvements. We're going to explore what it means to upgrade the kitchen. Whether you're a food enthusiast, love interior design, or are just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's embark on this journey to not only enhance our language skills but also to inspire potential transformations in our own homes. When we talk about upgrading the kitchen, we're referring to the process of making improvements or enhancements to a kitchen's features, appliances, or overall design. This can involve a range of activities from minor changes, like painting the walls or replacing old faucets, to major renovations that might include installing new countertops, cabinets, or high-tech kitchen gadgets. The goal is often to increase the kitchen's functionality, aesthetic appeal, or to incorporate modern technologies. There are several reasons why someone might decide to upgrade their kitchen. Firstly, it can significantly increase the value of a home, making it a smart investment for the future. Secondly, updating the kitchen can improve its efficiency and sustainability, with newer appliances often being more energy efficient. Lastly, a kitchen upgrade can simply make the space more enjoyable and tailored to personal tastes, thereby enhancing the overall quality of life for its users. Let's dive into some common examples of kitchen upgrades. Replacing old appliances with more efficient, modern models. Installing new countertops made from durable and stylish materials like granite or quartz. Adding a kitchen island to increase workspace and storage. Upgrading lighting fixtures to brighten the space and make it more welcoming. Installing smart kitchen gadgets, such as smart ovens or refrigerators, which can be controlled via smartphone. Planning is crucial for a successful kitchen upgrade. Start by setting a budget to understand what is achievable within your financial limits. Then, prioritize the changes you wish to make based on your needs and desires. It's also important to consider the timeline for the project, especially if you'll need to find alternative arrangements for cooking and eating while the kitchen is being renovated. Upgrading your kitchen can be a rewarding project that not only improves the functionality and appearance of your space but also offers a great opportunity to practice and learn English vocabulary related to home improvement and interior design. We hope this video has inspired you to think about how you can transform your kitchen while enhancing your language skills. Remember, every upgrade, no matter how small, is a step towards creating your dream cooking space. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.